The interstate border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya is an issue that has been bothering the residents of Block 1, Block 2 and other areas along the border. The recent action by the Assam government in deploying CRPF personnel at Umlaper village in Ribhoi district of the state in the pretext of the Independence Day celebrations has caused anger amongst the people and has caught the notice of local representative Charles Marngar, who, after having gathered enough information, had approached the government through the Chief Minister to demand for the removal of the Assam government's deployed Central Reserve Police Force from the village. The local MDC of Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, who had met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 19th of August 2021, informed that a memorandum to this effect had been submitted to the government to request for the removal from Umlaper village of the CRPF personnel deployed by the Assam government. Further, Marngar informed that after having learned that the Meghalaya government had recently requisitioned for an extra 3 companies of CRPF and 2 of BSF from the Central Home Ministry, he also placed a demand before the Chief Minister to deploy additional central forces at Ummat village to prevent incursion of the Assam government into land belonging to Meghalaya. This, he said, would arrest all fears and anxiety from the minds of those who live along the interstate border between Meghalaya and Assam.
Namar ba USP jong ka Assam garbi ang long uong ba kejingbo yek CRPF kadai na kementak independence but iya ki CRP on remove lo ne weng not ha ka khan re ikbas kursi kalong ba haga khan re ngalaam empat weng iki ngelawat cipit khan nyo empat weng dimenen kasi khat kha tari empat weng but hadu mentan mene ka step kalau ifun bat kinong ngelam snong ki ong empat weng ia kini CRPF. Jadi lor kini kena rim terkelian jonga ngala ai kini kijingklo. Jauh Chief Minister jongi ban intercede ban intervene lam. Ia kini kita. Ban ngala thok saya hungi ba CM jongi pun penkelai ban ikran badi ban wan. Berlada jauh baka Assam pengwen. Chief Minister jongi pun hab ban deploy. Wahab ban tha ya isi CRPF dan BSF ki jongi haga tinggi senang mungkin. Padahal thah ni ba unsur bahaban pak ia ki CRPF jongi mendai tak hamaka hakmat nasional melakukan kepada nasional umat. Kabahab ia garai nonton joget hiding simship. Dia kerja keren buat Chief Minister kita. Kalau pensawi kan ni nomor boleh. I kelas tangdam gejing thot iki pai bah kali kau. Gejing kan jongi CRPF kisung tu tanggawai kesai. Agak memang kau ngap perkat tayu ada neutral force. Desa Bapak Home Ministry. Kita hadir melawan peniak kami benar. Kadai baik bah kesakar asam kelapa. Padahal kan di CRPF menaik gidan untuk polis kepada. Ya kita kesini rumah ni itu iki gidan kulit kibuan berkeduk yang hari jinglet tengah. Kalai terik, kalai kat nadu kakra terik ngasong ngasa anti blok tu. Kat terik, kalai terik, kaduk kat sau terik. Kawan pai hadu benet. Bernyalap ikini gijing sisa berkai.